Welcome to Ringomax. Ringomax is a 14-minute session that will give you a full body workout. Ringomax is the third part of 42 at do42.com. Now let me tell you the three things that you can expect from Ringomax. Number one, you will see the difference in your body. You will have more muscle tone, endurance, and energy when you complete the 42 days of Ringo. Number two, the people in these videos are regular people just like you. These are not pros. Only Ringo is a professional trainer. Everyone else is just like you. So don't expect super strength or ability that comes from people who work out several hours a day. This is reality exercise. So you will see people who are uncoordinated. They will get tired. Sometimes they will slow down and even stop. This is reality exercise, and not a stage production in some studio with professional participants. So get ready to get real. Number three, it's doable, but it's harder than it looks. Ringomax has 3 levels of intensity: low, medium, and high. We've had some hotshot athletes look at Ringomax and think they won't get a great workout. That is, until they tried one session with the high intensity. So if you're in great shape, use the high intensity. If you're in average shape, stick with the medium intensity. And if you're just starting out, start with the low intensity. But remember, check with your doctor before you begin any workout routine. With Ringomax, you work out 6 days a week and then rest 1 day. If you want to do more than one session in a day, that's fine. Go ahead. But remember, rest 1 day for every 6 days you work out. Now have your water ready and stay hydrated. Let's get ready to Ringo.